Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get data from SQL to TextBox and SQL form application. First of all, I'm going to design with the TextBox and the button control to get data from SQL to TextBox. I will put ID and it will display the name from the SQL database. First of all, connect with the SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection, add namespace using system.data.sql client. The namespace is added. Now go to the server explorer and connect with the database. So select server name and for the authentication and the authentication name and password. Finally select the database is my task db, then click on OK. Okay, it's connected. Now let's get the connection string, go to the property and copy the connection string from the property window and paste it in the SQL connection. Okay, it's done. Now solve this error, it's due to backslash, so add the rate. Okay, now SQL command sim equal to new SQL command is to select star from student info underscore tab. You can see the table name in the server explorer. Okay, here student ID, column name is student ID, so student ID equal to single quotation, double quotation, then plus sign, then ID is integer type, so integer dot first textbox 1 dot text. Initialize the connection string con. Okay, it's done. Now SQL data reader rd equal to cm dot execute. Cm is the command, SQL command, while rd dot read textbox 2 for student name, so textbox 2 dot text equal to rd dot get value index 1 dot toString. Okay, let's see the index. Right click, show table data. Yes, student id is index 0, student name 1, class 2, address 3. Okay, now student name is index 1, so index 1. Okay, it's done. 101 get name. Oh, it's displaying an error. Execute reader must open the connection con dot open. Finally close the connection con dot close. Okay, it's done. Now let's execute. Yes, put id student id 101 get name, it's display the name John, student id 2 Christina. Let's check the records in the database table.